Today, we'll explore how to create a stunning wooden wall hanging clock that's as functional as it is stylish. To get started, you'll need a wooden panel, clock mechanism, sandpaper, a ruler, a pencil, wood stain or paint, a drill, and some creativity. First, measure and mark the center of your wooden panel. This will be the anchor point for your clock mechanism. Next, sand the wood to ensure a smooth surface. This not only prepares it for finishing but also brings out the natural beauty of the wood grain. Now drill a hole at the marked center. Make sure it's just big enough for the clock mechanism shaft to fit through. Here's where your personal style comes in. Apply a wood stain for a classic look or paint it with bold colors for a modern vibe. Let it dry completely. Attach the clock mechanism through the hole, securing it in place. Add the clock hands and set the time. You can keep it minimal or get creative by adding numbers, patterns, or other decorative elements. And there you have it, a handcrafted wooden clock that adds charm and character to your home. Whether it's for your living room, kitchen, or bedroom, this piece is sure to impress. Ready to create your own masterpiece? Share your designs with us in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more woodworking ideas.